With ArtiosCAD, you can easily design your packaging, view and present the result in 3D, and prepare for production in a minimum amount of time. ESKO's ArtiosCAD is the world's most popular structural design application for packaging. In this sequence, we will briefly show you how fast you can design any packaging within minutes with ArtiosCAD. ArtiosCAD has a huge library of parametric designs. We call them standards, based on material thickness and basic internal dimensions, length, width, and depth. You are able to create a standard carton in seconds. Layers with dimensions are created automatically. You can modify values or make specific style choices at the start or at a later stage of design. As you can see, all subsequent values are updated. Bleed and varnish areas can be added in only a few mouse clicks. You can import graphics into ArtiosCAD as well. To ensure consistency, we convert the design to 3D. 3D visualization allows you to do a visual check of your design. Creating virtual mock-ups instead of physical samples also saves time and money, and you obtain a faster customer approval. When the design is finished, it will need to be output, in this case to a spec sheet. A spec sheet may contain both 2D and 3D elements, and can be completed with a range of design-related information. In this example, we export the report as a PDF, in which the 3D view is still interactive, so the customer can view the design from all angles. To cut some live samples, we can choose one of the many preset outputs to plotter tables, like a Kongsberg digital cutting table. Before output, we can even check the sequence of data that ArtiosCAD will transfer to the cutting table. This will ensure optimal performance and sample quality. Finally, when the design is approved, we make a sheet layout. Layouts are created based on the maximum and minimum sizes of your production presses, so you end up with the optimum number of designs on a sheet and the minimum amount of material waste. This file is now the starting point for the production of printing plates and of the corresponding die board. You can also generate coating blankets from this sheet layout. Accelerate your packaging design with ArtiosCAD and prepare for production in a minimum amount of time.